I've had my shot.
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 Thousands of residential aged care workers like me have already rolled up their sleeves for a COVID-19 vaccine.
Residential aged care workers are eligible for a Pfizer vaccine.
There are more vaccines available now, and residential aged care workers are a priority.
Make an appointment to get your vaccine now. Don't wait.
Residential aged care workers can access COVID-19 vaccine through their workplace. Ask your facility or your employer about your vaccination now.
Find a vaccination location near you through the eligibility checker online.
If you have any questions, call the information line.
Or talk to your doctor if you want to know more.
Everyone who works in residential aged care must have a COVID vaccine by the 17th of September 2021.
Together, let's protect the people we love and care for. They're counting on us.
One in all in.